Hi everyone, I'm going to illustrate the resultant of three or more concurrent forces. So, i-illustrate ko muna yung graph. So, yung unang gagawin natin is, hanapin muna natin yung RY. So, yung formula dun ay RY is equal to 0,1 or R is equal to Rx. So, yung natin is Pythagorean. So, 24 squared plus 7 squared. Saan ang galing yung 24? Dito yan, as in squared. Pati yung 7, yan. Yung nakuha na sagot natin is 25. So, yung nakuha natin sagot is 25. So, after nun yung okay. So, 0 is equal to t sub x 7 over 25. So, theta. So, theta is equal to t sub x 7 over 25. Plus yung Newton na dito 5,200 times 12 over 13 minus yung Newton sa y-axis yung 5,150. So yung sagot is 1,250 Newton. After naman nun is yung R o yung resultant. So, negative t sub x ay, multiply pala ito guys. R is equal to negative t times 24 over 25. Last na process natin is yung sa resultant. So, negative t times 24 over 25 plus 5,200 Newton times sa 5 over 13. So, yung resultant natin is 800 Newton. So, ito na yung final answer. So, next natin is concurrent forces in space. So, meron tayong problem na determine the magnitude of the resultant, its pointing and its angle with its component for given concurrent forces system in space. So, illustrate muna natin ulit yung graph. Dito yung Y, dito yung X, dito yung Z. So, may given tayo na P is equal to 50 3, 3, and 5. Tapos yung Q naman is 180 lb. Negative 2, 1, tsaka negative 2. Tapos yung size natin is 100 lb. 2, 1, and 3. So, hanapin muna natin yung distance nila. X squared plus Y squared plus Z squared. So, yung fx is equal to x f over d. Fy is equal to y f over d. Copy FC is equal to Z F over D. So, maggawa tayo ng table para madali natin masagutan ito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 na table. So, may force tayo dito. X, Y, Z. Yung distance, Fx, Fy, tsaka Fz. So, yung force natin is 50 lb, 180, tsaka 100. So, yung X natin is 3, negative 2, tsaka 2. Yung Y natin is 3, 1, and negative 1. Yung Z natin is 5, negative 2, tsaka 3. Sa distance naman natin, ito yung formula. Ang nakuha natin is 6.557. 3 at 3.742. Sa Fx natin, ito yung formula. And nakuha natin is 32.876. Negative 120 at 53.447. Sa Fy naman natin, ito yung formula. Nakuha natin is 22.876, 60, and negative 26.724. Sa Fz natin is, ito yung formula. Nakuha natin is 38.127, 180, at 80.171. So after nun is yung summation nila. So burahin ko na lang dito lang sa baba. Summation ng Fx is negative 43.667. Sa Fy naman is 56.152. Sa F sub C naman is negative 1.702. Tapos after nun, yung summation nilang tatlo. So yung total nila is 71.159 lb up to the left.